guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a Valentine's Day tutorial, but instead this time I'm going to make this tutorial a little bit more soft instead of the other one that was on the dramatic side. So if you want to stay tuned, then just keep watching. Okay, so I already started off by priming my face. For primer, I used the e.l.f. Mineral Face Primer, and for foundation, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal True Match and my Estée Lauder. The Estée Lauder is a little bit dark, not too much, and the True Match is almost like my shade, but my neck is a little bit darker than my face. And I really like the formula of both of these, so I noticed that when I mix them, I get, you know, a really nice coverage. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I know as I'm putting it on, maybe, I don't know, the camera is looking a little bit orange, but I promise you, once I blend it out, it's gonna look so flawless. This is one of my favorite foundations. I've actually been using it for a really long time now, and the True Match is basically like almost what I started off with, so I freaking love these two so much. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with my Real Technique sponge. Okay, I'm blended, everything is covered. And now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm gonna go in with Maybelline Fit Me. This is one of my favorites as well. To set all of that, I'm gonna go in with my Coty Airspun. I like to dip the sponge and just remove the excess. To set my foundation for face powder, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Prime and Stay Finishing Powder. Blend on the neck. Okay, now we're gonna move on to eyebrows. Since I have a tutorial on this, I'm gonna go ahead and do them off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. I honestly didn't even plan this. I'm just basically freestyling, so let's see what we could do. Okay, so for the crease color, I'm gonna go in with Nectar from the Lorac Pro 2 palette, I believe, and I'm just gonna put that on my crease, making sure this is a clean brush. Okay, yeah. Let me zoom you guys in a little more. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in very, very lightly on my crease. Now that we're done with that, I'm gonna go in with my Modern Renaissance Anastasia palette, and this is probably what I'm gonna be using for the rest of the eye look. So I'm gonna go in with, I want like a pinky shade, and I'm not finding that there. Okay, I was trying to find more pink shades, but I wasn't really getting that. So I'm gonna go in with this really old Shiny Cosmetics palette that I have. I got this a long time ago as a gift, and it's like really torn up, but honestly it's one of the best palettes I've used. So I'm gonna go in and pick this pinky color I'll show you guys right now when I apply it on the eyelid. Since it's really pink, I'm gonna go in really soft to try to build the color up. And I'm gonna focus that on right here, the outer eye. Then I'm gonna go in with the blending brush I used before just to blend all of that out. For the inner corners, I'm gonna try to go in with a more of a defined brush. I'm gonna go in with this flat one, and I'm gonna go in for like a shimmery champagne shade. I'm trying to make this look as simple as possible. That way you guys, all you have to do is just follow 3, well, not necessarily 3, but just simple steps to recreate this. So I'm just gonna, nothing precisely, I'm just focusing that on the inner part of my eye. Dab it flat. I'm gonna put it also in the inner corner just to make it pop. And if you want more of an intense, something to look a little bit more shiny, go ahead and get your brush and just spray a little bit of water or whatever you have around you. And just intensify that even more. And then we're gonna go back in with the brush we used for the pink shade and then blend in the middle, both of them, to mash the colors up together. And then right now I'm looking at it, but I want my crease just to be a little bit more pink. So I'm gonna go in with Estée Buon Fresco. I think I'm saying that right. And then just deepen, and then just deepening this up. I hope I said that right. A little bit more. Like I said before, I want this look to be really simple but still pretty, and also make it look like, you know, you actually tried. Not, you know, a little bit lazy look, but, you know, something really pretty and simple. I'm gonna go in ahead and apply more pink, you know, because sometimes when you blend it, it can really, you know, wash away. And then again, I'm gonna go in the inner corner one more time, but this time I'm gonna use my finger. Now for this look, I wasn't sure if I'm gonna do a wing liner or not. And now that I'm looking at it alone, it looks really pretty, but I think I'll add a wing. I'm gonna finish my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so off camera I put on my lashes and I did a wing liner. Right now I'm gonna put on some bronzer and I'm gonna use my Toofaced Chocolate Soleil Milk Bronzer. For blush, I'm gonna use Milani Romantic Rose. I'm gonna put some white eyeliner on my waterline. And then I'm going to go in lightly with the pink eyeshadow I used in the beginning of the video. Just a little bit because I don't want to put too much under our eyes and make it look like we have pink eye or something. We're going to go in with this color and then the color that we, excuse me, and the color that we use on our crease. Like that. Looks so pretty. And we're gonna go with Anastasia Buon Fresco, again that same shade. And then just touch up the white eyeliner one more time. And then we're gonna go ahead and go in with mascara. Go ahead and do my lips. For lips, I wanted to use something not too pinky, but I wanted to keep like the pink vibes kind of going on, but not too pink because I don't want to look like pink, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go in, and right now I'm gonna line MAC Dervish and go ahead and line my lips right now. I'm gonna put Dose in Stone. I love this lip color. It's so pretty. I want to create that ombre effect on my lips, so I'm going to wait a little bit for this to dry, and then I'm going to go ahead and put Blushing Beige from Maybelline. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching.